Welcome to Kazan, Russia. Today we're exploring one of the most unique and awe-inspiring landmarks in the world, the Temple of All Religions.
Welcome to Travel Realm.
Hey everyone, this is the Temple of All Religions. This incredible place brings together the architectural styles and symbols of major world religions in one harmonious space. Let's dive in and discover what makes this place so special. Founded by local artist and philanthropist Ildar Khanov in 1992, the Temple of All Religions is a work-in-progress masterpiece that represents unity, peace, and mutual understanding among different cultures and faiths. As you walk through the temple, you'll notice elements from Christianity, Islam, Judaism, Buddhism, and many more. Each corner of the temple tells a story, blending the essence of these religions into one cohesive experience.
The Temple of All Religions is not just a place of worship, but a cultural center that hosts art exhibitions, musical performances, and educational events. It's a space where people of all backgrounds can come together to celebrate diversity.
That's amazing! Now let me share with you the top 3 things you absolutely must do when visiting the Temple of All Religions. First, explore the stunning architecture. Each building has its own unique style, and you'll feel like you're traveling the world without leaving Kazan. Second, attend a cultural event. Check the schedule for art exhibitions, concerts, or lectures happening during your visit. And finally, take a moment for reflection. Whether you're religious or not, the serene atmosphere here is perfect for some peaceful contemplation. So, whether you're a spiritual seeker, an art lover, or just curious about different cultures, the Temple of All Religions is a must-visit destination. Thanks for joining me on this journey. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing travel adventures. Until next time, keep exploring. And remember, unity and understanding start with each of us. See you in the next video.